Did you know that your phone will back up as a fuse tester? Well, check this out. With a working fuse, you get number inputs when you're on the calculator screen, and when your fuse is blown, it just does absolutely nothing. Now, I did go a little further and try to see other methods that worked. It does not work on the flat style fuses, as you can see here. This is a tested good working fuse. Does not work at all. It needs to be either the ceramic style round ones like you see here, or the glass style round ones like this. Those work very reliably. Every time I tested it here, it worked every single time reliably, testing which one was the good fuse and which one was the bad fuse. Now, this may not be the earth-shattering tip that you were hoping to get from me today, but you know what? In a pinch, if you're just pulling out a glass fuse out of somewhere, we've always got our phones on us. Somebody's going to find this useful, so it's going here.